Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be a review. So this company on Instagram reached out to me if I would be able to review one of their countertop trash bins. So I told them, sure, send it over. So this is it. This is from Lotsa style, and this one is the mini countertop trash can bold edition. So they have different ones, and this one is a little bit bigger. Which is good because I have a lot of trash, a lot of vinyl scraps. So this is how it looks like, and you can open it, and it comes with little trash can liners, and I'm gonna show you how to set it up right now. And it came with cute little stickers, cute little bunny stickers. It has lots of style, love, hello, thank you. So they're little stickers. And oh, it actually came with two trash can liners, trash bags. So, and then it came with a postcard. So I'm gonna show you guys how to set it up. So it comes like this. You open it. And let's open one of these trash bags. Okay. Got it open. Kinda. Okay. So how many is in this roll? I believe there is 50. I can't understand it, but it says 50. So I'm assuming it's 50. So you're just gonna unravel it, and it has little dots so you can rip it apart. And you just open it like you do a regular bag. Okay, so we're just gonna put it in. And the cool thing I like about this little trash can is when you put the top back on, like that. And the cool thing about it, when you put the liner in, you don't have any of the bag showing, so that's really cool. It makes things look a little bit cleaner. And I've seen so many people on Instagram decorate it. They put like leopard print, or they put like a quote, something cute. I'll put some examples right here so I can show you guys. But you know me, I'm a little bit bougie, so I like things a little bit more blingy. So I bought a bunch of rhinestones. Purple is my favorite color, so I got a lot of rhinestones. So what I am going to do is I'm going to bling out the whole thing. Maybe not the back, since it's going to be right there against the wall, but I'm going to show you how I bling this. So first, since this is white and my rhinestones are purple, first I'm going to spray paint this whole thing purple. So I'm gonna do that now, and then I'm gonna come back and I will show you a time lapse of me doing the rhinestones, because if I don't put a time lapse, it's gonna take all day long. So let me spray paint this, I'll come back and I'll show you the finished look. Okay, so I am all done blinging. It took me about 2.5 hours to 3 hours to finish it. I took breaks in between because it was just way too long. So here it is. Look how pretty this is. Oh my goodness, I love it. So now I get to keep it on my desk and put scrap vinyl on it, little bits of trash. If you guys are interested in getting one of these, I will leave a link in the description down below. These cost $20.99 and there is different colors you can choose from. And if you use code 30Lily, you get 30% off. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.